Before you can start writing and selling ebooks online, you need to decide on a topic. Choose something that you are knowledgeable about and passionate about. This will make it easier to write and will help you create a better product. Once you have chosen a topic, you need to do some research. Look for books on the same topic, read articles, and talk to experts. This will help you create an ebook that is comprehensive and up to date. Outline your book. Once you have done your research, you need to create an outline for your book. This will help you stay organized and make sure that you cover all the important points. Write your book. Now it's time to start writing your book. Make sure to take your time and write quality content. Edit and proofread. Once you have finished writing your book, you need to edit and proofread it. This will help you make sure that your book is error-free and ready for publication. Design a cover. You need to create a cover for your book. This will help it stand out and attract potential buyers. Publish your book. Now you need to decide how you want to publish your book. You can self-publish or use a publishing service. Promote your book. Once your book is published, you need to promote it. You can use social media, email marketing, and other methods to get the word out about your book. Sell your book. Finally, you need to start selling your book. You can use online retailers, your own website, or other methods to start selling your ebook.